Welcome, here I've got XIAOMI Mi 11 and I'm gonna show you how to allow the camera app to scan QR codes at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the left to this settings. When we pick this, we can open the advanced camera settings. And at the third position we have scan QR codes option with short information from the device that this can scan QR codes in the standard photo mode with only the rear camera. So remember to stay on the back camera to use this. By using this button from the right we can turn it off and turn it on like that as we need. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.